Hello students. In previous video we were discussing about the male reproductive system. I was discussing about the structure of the testes, and now I'm going to discuss about more in detail about the testes. Here I have two diagrams. There's one cross section of the testes, and this is another section of the testes, in which you can see the various accessory ducts and the testicular lobules. So let me discuss first this section of the testes, in which you can see that inside the testes there are testicular lobules. So मैंने पहले भी वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था कि हर एक टेस्टिस में 200 से 250 टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, और टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स के अंदर कॉइल ट्यूब्यूल्स हैं, टू विच वी कॉल सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स. हर एक टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल में, that is in each and every testicular lobule, the seminiferous tubules togetherly join together to form these straight seminiferous tubules. So here you can see these straight seminiferous tubules. These are the kinds of ducts which are formed from the several seminiferous tubules inside the testicular lobule. So then these several straight seminiferous tubules togetherly open into a common passage, to which we call rete testis. And here you can see further the rete testis open into the ducts, to which we call vasa efferentia. So here you can see vasa efferentia. These are the ducts, and then these vasa efferentia open into a coiled tube, to which we call epididymis. So here you can see testicular lobule. Inside the testicular lobules there are seminiferous tubules. Several seminiferous tubules togetherly form straight seminiferous tubule. Straight seminiferous tubules open into rete testis. Rete testis open into vasa efferentia. Then vasa efferentia opens into epididymis. So the sperms which are produced inside the seminiferous tubule, from there they will go into the straight seminiferous tubule. From straight seminiferous tubules they will go into the rete testis. From rete testis they will go into the vasa efferentia. From vasa efferentia they will go into the epididymis, where they will be stored temporarily and will get mature. Then from epididymis they will go further into the another tube, to which we called vas deferens or ductus deferens. So here you will get the idea about the accessory ducts. So first, inside the testes there are testicular lobules, और testicular lobules कहाँ खुलते हैं? Into the seminiferous, inside the testicular lobules there are seminiferous tubules, और seminiferous tubules मिलके क्या बनाती हैं? Straight tubules. और straight tubules आगे किस में खुलती है? rete testis. rete testis आगे किस में खुलती है? vasa efferentia. आगे vasa efferentia into the coil tubule को we call as epididymis. फिर वो जाके कहाँ खुलती है? into vas deferens. आगे vas deferens जो है, let me show you the another diagram. Here you can see कि जो कॉइल ट्यूब से वास डेफरेंस निकली थी, दैट वास डेफरेंस विल गो एंड विल मीट द यूरेटर एंड द accessory glands, that is seminal vesicle, prostate gland and that is the Cowper's gland. और इन सभी के साथ मिलके ये क्या बनाएगी? A common ejaculatory duct, and then open into a common passage, to which we call urethra. Here so it is written urethra. So urethra is the common passage for what? For passing out the urine as well as the sperms, which travel along the various accessory ducts. So hope so you have got the idea about the various accessory ducts. Now let me further discuss about the cross section of the testes. Here we have the magnified diagram of cross section of testes. Here this is the round structure. This is nothing but actually the section of the seminiferous tubules. So here you can see seminiferous tubules के अंदर lumen है. Seminiferous tubules के in between there is a space. अगर आप इस स्पेस में देखोगे you will find the very important cell to which we call Leydig cells. Leydig cells के अलावा यहाँ पर कुछ blood vessels present होंगी and there will be some immunological competent cells. I will discuss later on the importance of Leydig cells in human reproductive system. Now let me discuss what is present inside the seminiferous tubule. So here you can see I've differentiated the various cells. Here you can see there is a one layer of cells, there is another, then third one, then the fourth one, and then finally inside these there are the tiny spermatozoa. You must know that inside the seminiferous tubules there are spermatogenic cells which can be called as spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, spermatids, and the spermatozoa. So inside the seminiferous tubule you can see the various stages of development of the spermatozoa. Besides this, there are certain specialized cells to which we call Sertoli cells. Here these are the Sertoli cells. These Sertoli cells help in production of the spermatozoa. They not only provide the nourishment to the developing spermatozoa but also provide shape to the developing spermatozoa. So I will discuss maybe later on about this spermatogenesis, that is the production of the mature spermatozoa from the sperm mother cell, or to which we call spermatogonia. So inside the seminiferous tubule there are spermatogonium. I will also discuss about the ploidy, that is whether they are diploid or haploid. I will discuss it later on in the topic spermatogenesis. So here you can see there is a first layer, we call it as spermatogonium. From spermatogonium primary spermatocytes are formed. From primary spermatocytes several secondary spermatocytes are formed which further differentiate to form spermatids, and then spermatids with the help of Sertoli cells further differentiate to form the spermatozoa. So this is the cross section of the testes showing the seminiferous tubules, and seminiferous tubules consist of the spermatogenic cells and the Sertoli cells. Outside the seminiferous tubules, that is in the interstitium, there are specialized cells, Leydig cells. So in maybe after 2-3 more videos when I will discuss about the spermatogenesis, I will discuss about the importance of Leydig cells and Sertoli cells and the various developing stages of the spermatozoa in detail. So that's it. That is all about the testes, and in my next videos I will discuss more about the accessory ducts, accessory glands, and the external genitalia. Thank you.